This is a creative stamping magazine, but I have to tell you, it's so much more. This is volume 3, and it is a Journey Creative Stamping Special Edition number 3. And why? Well, look at this. It's going to have 58 ideas, which is what we would expect, but let me show you what's included. All of these stamps, don't you just love the detail? All of those, and I'm not done, all of these. Wow, over 50 stamps are included. Let me slide that down. Now I think you can see a little bit easier. So hot air balloons, vans, cars, bikes, all modes of travel, and places to go too. Let me show you some of the examples in the magazine because it is a treasure trove. You can also go here and you can download these papers. So that's good, unless you have papers that you already have, or just lots of ways that you can use these. Now let's get started. Here are some ways, and I love the idea of stamping the image in the background, keeping it really simple, and then doing one and coloring it and cutting it out. A circular one is fun. I love this technique of doing that border, coloring it, and then doing another of the stamps. So all of that is included. Step by step, how to create that look is also right here. And we have, these are just charming, very simple looking cards, but I think very, very clever. There's no other like you. There's a happy belated birthday. Isn't that just striking? Sending you big hugs. Now this is done with just this stamp, and you're going to see it used again throughout the magazine. So just really, really clever. And more of these. You're a quality friend. Another birthday, no problema. So those are cute. Adventure awaits. Well, maybe it's just in our minds, but that's fun to see. And we've got more. Okay. Look at all the color, very fun to see, and that's part of the download papers. Look at this. I love the look of this, and that background is so pretty, all kind of distressed with watercolor inks. That's just going to work easily. There's another one, the same idea of taking that stamp and stamping it for the background, really keeping that plain, and then doing the stamp again and coloring it out. It's just a really striking look and works particularly well with all of these stamps. Now here are some others, cool creatures. So you can see welcome little one. That's a really cute idea for these. Here's another go wild on your birthday with that sloth, and sending you big hugs on your birthday with the elephants and giraffe. And there's more. Oh, very pretty. Let's go on an adventure. Really cute. Savannah escapes. And then here is the step-by-step using a shaving cream, as well as the Cosmic Shimmer shakers, so that will work very well there. And then we have pedal power. So this is, again, using one of the stamps and using a whole variety of ways that you can use that. Very, very clever. Very good ideas. Now we go into, this is doing some scrapbooking with the adventure. Helen Griffiths shares with us, and very fun with her stamping and her photos. And then I thought this was just really fun to have just a part of that car showing, very simple on the background, and just very striking. Here we go, and we have more. Okay. Here we have the Wild at Heart, so we're going back to our safari look. You can see really, again, that same stamp, how nicely it is used. I was very surprised with how many things can be done with these stamps. There's no other like you. Oh, that would be a really cute anniversary card. And we've got elephant with the reverse. I guess all of these have a reverse image. Now, it gives you a step-by-step here how to do that mirror image, that reverse image. We also, from Stan Bendis, have a mirror plate that makes it really easy to create this look. So you just kind of double your stamps. And isn't this just very, very pretty? So very nice to see. unique ideas. Look at all of those. Just gorgeous. Again, there's that stamp being used so effectively. Love the backgrounds. And you have everything in your kit to create that look. Okay, so creative stamping. This indeed is a very special edition with 50 stamps included. I can go for any place you'd like to go, you have been, or you're planning to be.